Okay, we're gonna work on Back Home Again by John Denver. And for this, we're gonna be using a strum that's down, down, up, down, up, down, up for each measure. So each measure will begin with that strong down beat and then down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's do 2 measures of C, 2 of F, 2 of G, and 2 of C. That's the beginning of our song. So that's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. There's a storm across the valley, clouds are rolling down. The afternoon is heavy on your shoulders. There's a truck out on the 4-lane, a mile or 2 away. Winding down his wheel just makes it colder. For the chorus, we're going to try a different strum pattern that's down and then flick, down, flick, down, flick. So that flick is just, instead of just a single finger going down, you're going to throw out all your fingers. So you get just a little different sound. So it's down. Go ahead and try the chorus with that. Hey, it's good to be back home again. Sometimes this old farm feels like a long lost friend. And hey, it's good to be back home again. There's a storm across the valley.